Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Bentley, Automotive Sales and Repair. We out here, we got a little Acura. We about to put a radiator in here. Just got started. So we already done remove the fans first. This really ain't a hard job, so we're gonna go ahead and knock it out real quick. You know what I'm saying? Show you how we guys do out there. You got your two fans here. Go ahead and get that out the way. You got one right, one left. Damn. What the hell was that? Oh. Well, that ain't supposed to fall like that. That's supposed to be attached to your fan. Okay. Good thing about this one, you ain't got no transmission lines. You just pop that radiator hose, baby, and bam, bam. Yeah. Wham, bam, thank you, bam. Alright, release the bottom hose, pull that motherfucker off there. Watch the water flow. Alright, we got two 10mm bolts right here. Use your radiator support. We gonna get her done, buddy. Pop that fucker off there. Yeah. Pop this son of a bitch off there. Alright. Got this son of a bitch off. There's your two things there. And guess what? That son of a bitch comes right on out. Look at that. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Bam. Get your old handy dandy box cutter. Gonna gut this new radiator open here, buddy. Alright, first thing you want to do, get your new radiator, put it beside your old one. Make sure they're the same there, buddy. Now, I really don't talk like that, but it's cool for YouTube, you feel me? Cut that son of a bitch. Cut that son of a bitch. Alright. Take this here box apart there, buddy.
That's the right one.
And her,
yeah, it look like.
well, you see here, what we have here, is a hole here and a hole here. Now this one here is actually for a Honda, but it will fit an Acura. We just got to keep these plugs on here.
Okay.
This one comes with an option to add a separate transmission cooler. Or see, your vehicle already has its own transmission cooler.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So this one is for either or. Like if you wanted to just take your transmission cooler out, you can run them lines straight through the radiator.
Okay.
So if your transmission cooler ever go out,
let me know, and
I'll just come and put the two hoses right here.
Okay.
So these two pieces you're gonna want to keep in your glove box somewhere.
Okay, I'll put them with my
hold on to them.
My what you call it for my tire, my key. So I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, you want to keep these here safe. Come on now, there, bro. Boom, boom.
Did Miss Kim call you about her starter?
She did.
She did.
She did. And then I ain't heard nothing else from her. She said she wanted me to put it in. And then she just kept saying she was going to let me know when she was ready. And then,
you ain't heard nothing back?
Hadn't heard nothing back.
I know you hear back from Miss Alita though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she said she gonna be calling you some more. You did some good work. I said, I told you that shit.
Yeah, the lady at the sweepstakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She good people.
Yeah, I just actually texted her yesterday. She said that they might have a position open up there at the sweepstakes.
Okay.
'Cause I do security at the sweepstakes in Kernersville too.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So,
That's what's up.
yeah, nigga, I don't play no games, man.
Yeah, that's what's up.
I'm a goddamn boy. Mexicans ain't got nothing on me, nigga. I work.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I'm about to switch to American Airlines.
They said, nigga, you got a lot of job. I said, heck yeah. I got a lot of baby.
Yeah. I understand.
Which is true, nigga. I got kids on kids on kids.
How many kids you got?
6.
Stop playing.
Yep. 4 mamas, 6 babies.
Damn.
Yes, sir. Let's keep it playing.
That's how it be. That's how it be.
Alright guys, we starting to feel the sprinkles. It's
Yeah,
on
too
the
bad.
way.
Ain't gonna be too bad till tomorrow though.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of happy. I say, well, shit, I ain't got much to do. Shit. Yeah, this radiator gonna do you just fine there.
Okay, I'm glad. I was worried about it. I was definitely worried about it because I just didn't know. But I know it said online that I can use the Honda and the Acura.
Yeah.
And they're the same thing, so.
Good thing is, you can use either. Oh, got the joke. All right, baby, we rolling. I got my YouTube video rolling.
Okay.
So niggas know what I can do. I mean, excuse me. Didn't mean to drop the N-ball.
Yes, you did.
I sure did. I damn sure did. Drop that motherfucker like boom.
You live or you just doing the video?
Nah, I'm just recording the video.
Okay, you want to go back and edit and all
Cause
that?
I always say some shit I ain't supposed to put on the air.
That's a good thing.
You know what I'm saying? I stopped doing live cause I started some shit one day. Some lady was like, my son was watching and you was cussing. I was like, well, what the fuck is your fucking 5-year-old watching goddamn?
Right.
You work on the car for?
Right. What do you need to know for?
Need to be watching Blue's Clues or some shit.
Hey, what?
I might got an answer.
What can I put the car? Well, it should pass inspection. It should maintenance, maintenance, whatever. What can I take the car and get it passed? Like, for there's some shit wrong with it, and it's still just way past. Cause I gotta get that charger passed too.
What's wrong with the charger?
Check engine light on.
You don't remember what it's for?
Yeah, but I gotta get the battery. That's the only thing wrong with it, with the battery and the caliper.
Let me talk to my boy. He does the inspections and see what we can do. Oh shit! I just pissed on my foot. Let me see what we can. Let me see what I can. What he say about that?
I don't think it's really too much wrong with it. I know you gotta get the
Got
air,
to put the key on.
air fix. He said something about some spray or something. He got the spray on for the air. You gotta get the caliper and he got the brake set with the caliper and the roll.
Okay. Let him know when he's ready, goddamn.
It's gonna be soon.
Say, only one call away. You sing that damn song? The white people say this. Yeah. Got your little rubber feet down here. Come on now. Stop playing now. Get on there. Alright, well look now too, during the week, I mean I actually got a little shop now. A guy rented me out.
Okay.
And I'm all the way at the end of Walktown,
Okay.
across from the liquor store.
The ABC store.
Yeah.
Right across from it.
Right across from it.
In the shopping mall lot.
No, directly across the street. You can't miss it, like right across the street from the ABC store.
Oh, it's about a little. Okay, I forgot it's a little cutout where the ABC.
Yeah.
It's a little middle section where they used to sell cars.
That's where I'm at.
Okay.
Yeah, they still sell the cars, but they got me there for the mechanic work now.
Congratulations, bro.
So I finally got my own. Well, it ain't my own, but it's close.
You on the way, bro. You get there.
Man, I'm working on it, baby. I'm working on it.
You gonna get there.
Yeah. If I don't get there, ain't no if I don't in it. I'm gonna get there.
Right, that's why I said you gonna get there.
I'm finna make it, goddamn. Yeah. Shit. If I go from a nickel bag to goddamn 10 pounds, I can go. No shot. Yeah, boy. So I put all this energy into selling dope, goddamn it. I can do the same for something legal.
Right, and that's what they some people trying to get me to start my food truck.
It's money in that food truck.
I know.
And you know what's crazy? It's cheaper for you to actually start a food truck than it is to get a hot dog truck.
I know.
That shit ridiculous,
It
man.
is. It really is. But I
It's
got
fucking ridiculous, bro. And they told me how much I had to pay.
people ordering food all the time.
I'm like, bruh.
Olives, meatloaf sandwiches, chicken, chops, fish.
Cause shit, just every so often I got a funnel cake cook. Every so often I break the funnel cakes out, pick a side of town somewhere and just pull them shits out and do funnel cakes. Man, you be surprised, man, how much money that shit bring.
I believe it because my grandfather used to have a dry cleaners. And like you want to use extra you want to use the end little lot for fry or something like that. So I was like, okay, well they gonna do it, I can do it. I went out there, sold out of 3 cases of fish and 2 cases of chicken.
Yes, sir. It do it though.